Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 1.0% in the last session after rising as much as 1.7% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Crude oil prices climbed to levels not seen since 2014, with geopolitical tensions in focus after an attack on an Abu Dhabi oil facility. The dollar hit a six-day high in early trading following a jump in U.S. Treasury yields, while the yen steadied after the Bank of Japan said it would stick to its ultra-loose monetary policy. The cult website Fees.WTF, which shows Ethereum users their lifetime gas spend on transactions, saw its SWTF token plummet 80% in its initial week post-airdrop.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's imports will be released at 2350 GMT, the UK's core consumer price index at 0700 GMT. The US housing starts at 1330 GMT. The UK's consumer price index will be released at 0700 GMT. Germany's consumer price index at 0700 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 0101 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.